Largest vaccination site in the state, opening up at the home of the San Francisco 49ers. Here's a look at Levi Stadium that's currently being transformed. KPIX5's Devin Fehely is there to tell us how officials plan to pull off this massive effort. Devin?
Yeah, getting shots in people's arms as quickly, efficiently, and fairly as possible is the way that we finally get to the other side of this pandemic. Now, the opening of Levi Stadium, many see it as a good sign that the county is rapidly ramping up its vaccination efforts. Public health officials say Levi's will offer 5,000 shots a day, and if the supply is there, could quickly climb to 15,000.
It's a great step forward.
Kevin Noda says he hopes the Levi site is the answer to an uneven and slower than expected rollout of the vaccine.
I think my concern is more, I happen to be a Kaiser member, and it seems like the production of the vaccines is more the limiting factor.
Public health officials say the supply of the vaccine has been uncertain and erratic. Countywide, Santa Clara has been giving out roughly 6,700 shots per day. Add Levi's to the mix and the number climbs to nearly 12,000, nearing their stated goal of 15,000 shots every day.
We're working with the state of California to try to assure that we'll have adequate vaccine to continue this mass vaccination process.
The county is trying to ensure that it not only distributes the vaccine quickly, but makes sure it reaches some of the hardest hit communities. Latinos, for example, make up roughly a quarter of the county's population, but account for more than half of its cases of the coronavirus, and yet so far have received just 10% of the vaccine.
As the vaccine becomes available, having more capacity is really how we're going to make sure everybody gets vaccinated.
The county has released a series of public announcements reaching out to communities of color and hopes the opening of Levi Stadium brings them closer to the goal line.
It is a sign that they're accelerating the vaccination plans, but it's a little bit premature right now to say that all the kinks are worked out.
Devin, what are the chances that the county runs into supply issues as soon as they open this new site?
So the county says that they've got a 2 to 3 week supply of this vaccine, and that does include the opening of this new site. They're planning to vaccinate about 5,000 people here every day. They have the capacity to do about 15, but they're not going to ramp it up until they can be assured that they have a sufficient supply to do so.
Yeah, it's been a big issue. Now they're figuring out and they need to make sure they have the supply before they can make those reservations. All right, Devin, thanks.